Let's talk about one of the unsung heroes of industry, the industrial boiler. These massive machines are the beating heart of countless factories, power plants, and refineries, quietly working behind the scenes to keep our modern world running. Most people never see them, but without boilers, so much of what we take for granted would simply stop. At its core, a boiler is just a giant, super strong kettle. But instead of making a cup of tea, it's designed to generate enormous amounts of steam, day in and day out, often for years on end. You add water, crank up the heat, and create steam, under pressures that are off the charts. The process might sound simple, but the scale and intensity are mind-blowing. This isn't about making tea, this is about powering entire cities and industries. The steam produced here is the lifeblood of everything from electricity generation to food processing, chemical manufacturing, and even heating massive buildings. High-pressure steam is packed with energy, perfect for spinning turbines, heating factories, and driving industrial processes. It's the force that turns generators, moves pistons, and keeps assembly lines humming. Without it, much of our modern infrastructure would grind to a halt. Imagine a world where lights go out, production stops, and entire cities freeze in winter, all because the boilers stopped working. Some boilers are as big as houses, built to withstand temperatures of hundreds, even thousands of degrees. Their sheer size and strength are awe-inspiring, and they're engineered to handle conditions that would destroy ordinary equipment in seconds. The pressure inside? Over 3,000 psi, compare that to your car tire's 32. That's nearly 100 times more pressure, all contained within thick steel walls. These machines are engineering marvels, designed to safely contain and control immense power. Every pipe, valve, and weld is meticulously planned and tested to prevent disaster. It's not just about size, it's about smart, safe design. Advanced sensors, control systems, and emergency shutoffs are all part of the package, ensuring everything runs smoothly. The story of the industrial boiler is one of harnessing incredible energy while keeping it in check. It's a delicate balance between raw power and precise control. When you're dealing with this much force, there's no room for error. Safety is always the top priority, because a single mistake can have catastrophic consequences. That's why every detail, from the steel used to the safety systems, matters. Engineers and technicians spend years perfecting every aspect, from the tiniest bolt to the largest pressure vessel. Next, let's see just how powerful and dangerous steam can be. The energy inside these boilers is both a tool and a potential threat. Get ready for some real-world explosions. We'll show you what happens when things go wrong, and why the engineering behind every boiler is so critical. Let's talk about what happens when things go wrong. When the systems we trust to keep us safe fail, and the true power of steam is unleashed in the most dangerous way possible. On Mythbusters, we saw a simple water heater become a rocket, launching hundreds of feet into the air with nothing but the force of steam. It was dramatic, but that was just a small-scale demonstration. Now imagine that same explosive force, but multiplied 1,000 times over in the massive boilers that power factories and entire cities. The scale of energy stored in these systems is almost unimaginable. The energy in high-pressure steam is immense. If it's released suddenly, the results are catastrophic. We're talking about a force that can rip apart steel and concrete in an instant. This kind of disaster is called a BLEVE, a boiling liquid expanding vapor explosion. It's one of the most feared events in any industrial setting. When a boiler ruptures, superheated water inside instantly flashes into steam, expanding over 1,000 times in volume. This rapid expansion creates a shockwave that can devastate everything nearby. The result? A physical explosion so powerful it can level entire buildings, hurling steel beams like shrapnel and leaving nothing but twisted wreckage in its wake. The blast wave, flying debris, and clouds of scalding steam make boiler explosions among the most destructive and deadly industrial accidents imaginable. The aftermath is often chaos and devastation. That's why boiler safety is absolutely non-negotiable. Every valve, every gauge, every inspection is a line of defense against disaster. History is full of tragic explosions, stories of factories destroyed and lives lost, that forced us to take safety seriously and change the way we design and operate these systems. Every safety rule, every inspection checklist, and every emergency drill we have today is written in the hard lessons learned from those disasters. It's a constant battle, our need for power and progress versus the respect and caution we owe the incredible forces we control. We can never let our guard down. Boiler safety isn't just a guideline, it's a matter of life or death for everyone who works near these machines, and for the communities that depend on them. So, let's take a closer look at how engineers keep all that awesome and terrifying power safely contained every single day. So, how do you build a container strong enough to hold back that kind of power? The answer lies in a combination of advanced engineering, careful material selection, and rigorous safety standards. High-pressure boilers are marvels of modern industry, designed to withstand forces that would tear ordinary equipment apart. You start with the right materials. Only the toughest metals make the cut. Metals that can handle not just the pressure, but also the intense heat and constant stress of daily operation. Industrial boilers use high-quality carbon or alloy steel, tested to handle extreme heat and pressure. These materials are chosen for their strength, durability, and resistance to corrosion, ensuring the boiler's longevity and reliability. The main pressure parts are cylindrical, nature's perfect shape for containing pressure. This design evenly distributes stress, preventing weak spots from forming. No corners, no weak points, just pure strength. Every curve is intentional, every weld carefully placed to maximize integrity. Inside, a maze of tubes carries water through the furnace, heating it safely and efficiently. These tubes are engineered to maximize heat transfer while minimizing risk. Water tube boilers divide the pressure among thousands of small tubes, so a single failure isn't catastrophic. This redundancy is a key safety feature, protecting both equipment and people. Every weld is critical, inspected with X-rays or ultrasound to catch even the tiniest flaw. These inspections are repeated throughout the manufacturing process to ensure nothing is missed. The engineering is all about precision and perfection. Every measurement, every calculation is double-checked to guarantee safety and performance. It's not just about making things bigger, but making them safer. Safety is built into every step, from design to final inspection. Every detail, from the steel plates to the welds, is designed to keep the power in check. Even the smallest component plays a vital role in the system's integrity. Building a boiler is a test of skill and discipline. It takes a dedicated team of experts, each focused on their craft, to bring these machines to life. Next, let's look at the safety devices that stand guard. These are the final line of defense, ensuring the boiler operates within safe limits at all times. Enter the pressure relief valve. This crucial device is engineered to release excess pressure instantly, preventing dangerous buildups and keeping the entire system safe. The pressure relief valve is the boiler's guardian angel. Its job: if pressure gets too high, it opens automatically, venting steam and keeping things safe. It's a simple mechanical failsafe, no electricity or computers needed. A calibrated spring holds the valve shut until the pressure exceeds its limit, then it pops open. Steam escapes, pressure drops, and the valve closes again. It's self-regulating, reliable, and absolutely essential. If a control system fails or a valve is closed by mistake, the relief valve is the last line of defense. Boilers always have more than one relief valve for redundancy. Inspectors regularly test them to make sure they work perfectly. The roar of escaping steam during a test is the sound of safety in action. Without these valves, a simple malfunction could turn deadly. Now let's talk about another critical factor: water level. Pressure is only half the story. Water level is just as crucial. If the water drops too low, the boiler's metal overheats, weakens, and can rupture. This low water condition is a leading cause of boiler accidents. To prevent disaster, boilers have sight glasses for direct visual checks and automatic low water cutoff sensors. If water gets too low, the system shuts off the heat instantly. Multiple sensors provide redundancy. Operators are trained to check water levels constantly. This layered defense keeps the boiler safe from overheating and catastrophic failure. It's a simple principle, but absolutely vital. Next, let's see how inspections and maintenance keep everything running smoothly. Safety is a daily commitment. Even the best equipment is only as safe as the people who maintain it. Operators and inspectors are the front line of boiler safety. Regular, thorough inspections are mandatory, both internal, with the boiler shut down, and external, while running. Inspectors look for corrosion, cracks, and any sign of trouble, inside and out. They test safety devices and review logs for unusual trends. Preventative maintenance is ongoing: cleaning, calibrating, checking water chemistry, and fixing issues before they become problems. It's about being proactive, not reactive. A culture of safety is practiced every day, on every ship. Professionalism and vigilance are what keep boilers safe. Now let's look at the rules that make all this possible. Boiler safety isn't left to chance, it's governed by strict codes and standards. In the US, the ASME Boiler and Pressure Vessel Code sets the rules for everything from materials to welding. These codes were born from tragedy, deadly explosions that force change. The ASME code is law in most places, and every boiler must meet its requirements. Certified inspectors enforce these standards, ensuring every boiler is built and maintained correctly. Each code-stamped boiler is a guarantee of safety and quality. Inspectors are highly trained professionals, not just mechanics. This system of codes, laws, and independent inspection forms a robust safety net. It protects workers, the public, and the industries we all rely on. But even with all this, accidents can still happen. Despite all the safeguards, accidents still occur, usually due to human error or neglected maintenance. In 2017, a steam generator explosion in St. Louis killed 4 people, all because internal corrosion went undetected. Regular inspections could have prevented it. When accidents happen, investigators dig deep to find the root cause, not to assign blame, but to improve safety for everyone. These tragedies remind us, never get complacent, always question, always double-check, never bypass a safety device. Complacency is the enemy of safety. Eternal vigilance is the price we pay for harnessing such powerful forces. Every accident is a lesson, pushing the industry to do better. Safety is a culture, not a checklist. Let's remember why it matters to all of us. Industrial boilers power our world, quietly and invisibly. The electricity you use, the clothes you wear, the food you eat, all depend on safe, reliable steam. When boilers run safely, we never notice them, but a single failure can ripple through supply chains and communities. Safe boilers are the backbone of modern life. The story of the industrial boiler is one of human ingenuity and learning from our mistakes. It's about harnessing nature's power with science, engineering, and discipline. Next time you flip a light switch, remember the hidden systems and people keeping it all safe. Boiler safety isn't just for engineers, it's for everyone. That's something worth appreciating.